Amazon is making an enormous bet on Nvidia's AI chips. AWS plans to deploy 2 million additional Nvidia GPUs across its global infrastructure in the year 2027 and 2028. And that tells us something important about the AI race. Demand for compute is still running ahead of supply and expectations. The deployment will include Nvidia's Blackwell Ultra, Rubin, and Rubin Ultra GPUs. AWS says that they will support everything from agentic AI and scientific computing to enterprise automation and robotics. AWS is also expanding its Blackwell-based infrastructure, including RTX Pro 4500 Blackwell Server Edition GPUs for its new EC2 G7 instances. Now, this partnership goes well beyond GPUs. AWS and Nvidia are expanding into Vera CPUs, NVLink fusion networking, open models, and AI data processing. Nvidia's Nemotron models will remain available through Amazon Bedrock and SageMaker. And Amazon Robotics is using Nvidia's Jetson, Isaac, and Omniverse platforms to build and train its next generation of robots. Now, here's the interesting part. Amazon has been investing heavily in its own Trainium AI accelerators to reduce dependence on Nvidia. Yet, it's ordering another 2 million Nvidia GPUs. You might ask why? Because Amazon wants to give customers a choice, its own silicon for some workloads and Nvidia's ecosystem for others. And AWS says demand is strong enough that it needs both. The partnership also includes plans for 100,000 Nvidia GPUs on secure AWS infrastructure for US federal and national security workloads. Now, that is a sign of how AI compute is moving beyond consumer products into government and strategic infrastructure. Now, before I give you the front page take on the story, someone wants to say hello. Meet IBM Bob, your AI coding buddy that turns big ideas into working solutions and much faster. Code, create, and ship with Bob because building should be more than just a vibe. With that, the front page take. The headline is 2 million GPUs, but the bigger story is quite simple here. Amazon is building its own chips and still buying Nvidia at enormous scale because customers continue to demand Nvidia's technology. That suggests that AI compute demand is not slowing down yet. So here's the question. Will custom AI chips eventually challenge Nvidia, or will exploding AI demand keep both businesses growing? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.